Welcome to my channel, where we empower and inspire you to live your best life and to pursue your dreams. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to delve into a fascinating universal principle that has the power to completely transform your life. It's called the Law of One, and it's all about the unity of all things and the power of oneness. The Law of One states that everything in the universe is connected and that everything is ultimately one. This means that we are all part of a greater whole and that we are all connected to each other. The Law of One suggests that when we understand this unity and work towards it, we can tap into an incredible source of power and abundance. One way to cultivate an understanding of the Law of One is to focus on gratitude. By being thankful for what we have, we can tap into a positive vibration that attracts even more abundance into our lives. Additionally, it's important to recognize the interconnectedness of all things and to take care of each other and the planet. Another aspect of the Law of One is the understanding that our thoughts and actions have consequences. Every action we take creates a ripple effect, and it's important to be conscious of the impact we have on the world around us. By being mindful of the consequences of our actions, we can work towards creating a better world for everyone. In conclusion, the Law of One is a powerful principle that can help us tap into the power of unity and oneness. By focusing on gratitude, recognizing the interconnectedness of all things, and being mindful of the consequences of our actions, we can cultivate an understanding of this law and use it to transform our lives and the world around us. So there you have it, the power of the Law of One and how it can change your life for the better. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this.